back to those days. I was running in one place. Set a pace. Feel like I've been running in one place. Yeah, I've been feeling pretty good. I've been feeling great. I've been feeling how I should.
Alright, how's it going, guys? So, I'm having some idle issues with the 240. I think maybe I want to say it's a number of things, like missing, the filter for here, missing the filter for there. The O2 sensor isn't connected. You can see down there it's just dangling. That's not the original one. I'm gonna put the original O2 sensor back on. Also, I removed the thermostat, so I'm gonna install a new thermostat to it. When I did the intake manifold, I did a smoke test to see if anything was leaking vacuum wise, and I didn't see anything leaking. So hopefully, with fixing these little things right here, hopefully that'll get it idling right, because it'll start good every time, it'll start, but if I drive it and then I get to a stoplight or a stop sign, it'll just turn off, or it'll barely hold the idle. I'm also going to mess with the throttle cable. I haven't tightened it down, so I'm going to mess with that, maybe raise it up a little bit. I read on some forums that after you delete all the emissions things, you have to raise the throttle up a little bit so it can idle good. So yeah, I'm going to start on that right now. So for the intake, I'm going to maybe use this one. Came off a single cam. If I don't use this one, let's see. If I don't have, head upside down. I forgot to say that I need to install a fan. I'm going to install my old fan back on, the clutch fan. It's missing a fin, but it's better than nothing until I order a new electric fan and wire that up. So as of right now, I'm going to install the clutch fan.
What we do here is go back.
So there's a bolt that's stripped. This bolt right here just keeps going in circles and circles and circles. So this is what's gonna fix it. Got me. Nothing. Oh, it is leaking. Fuck. See right here. It's leaking right. You see that? Well, you can see. It was leaking right there. On one of my old KAs, I replaced the water pump, so I have this water pump. It's good inside. And then I had a gasket kit, so I have a gasket. So right now, I'm gonna head out to AutoZone and pick up a thermostat, and then and some black gasket, some black sealant. Sorry, some black sealant. That way I can seal this right here, and that way I can seal where the thermostat is at. Alright, so I got the water pump on, thermostat on, got the fan on. I also installed this from a single cam, this filter. What else have I done? I think that's it for right now. It's still kind of running rough. Oh yeah, I did the O2 sensor. I did the O2 sensor right there. But like I said, it's still running kind of rough. Still not sure. Oh, I have to still put a filter here, but I haven't been able to find a little filter for it. I had one, but I don't know what happened to it. That's it for right here, right now.